Hello students. So today we are going to start your unit 1, that is introduction to retailing. Since this unit is totally about the importance of your retailing, how much retail is important in today's era. So the retail industry, as mentioned, secures fifth position as an industry, and it is the second largest employer after agriculture. As you know that India is an agrarian country, so agriculture stood at first place, and at second place we find retail, that is giving employment opportunities to a lot of youth in our country. Fine. So retail business is undergoing rapid transformation, as you can see that it is opting different marketing practices. Right from the very early to now, you can see there is a lot of transformation. Like earlier, we only have some Kriana stores in our nearby localities, but now you can see there are different types of outlets, like your departmental stores are there. Example, your Vishal Mega Mart, Easy Day, fine. So you can see like that. So now retail business is undergoing, and that I earlier told you that it is we have find a lot of transformation in this field. Okay, so there are like supermarkets are there, departmental stores are there, hypermarkets, malls, non-store retailings are there. There are multi-level transacting with the like multi-level marketing and telemarketing. As you can see, like if we'll talk about your telemarketing, you have must have seen channels like Snapdeal, and then Home Shop 18. Fine. So these are the things that nowadays we can find that we can shop both at your real places and at your virtual places are the places where we cannot get a direct interface with the seller, but we can see like as I told you about your telemarketing as your online shopping, and like through televisions you can shop also. Okay, through online mode, like we have different websites, your Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, you have lots of sites where you can shop easily. And we have different varieties of products we can easily find with different prices. Okay, so now starting with your very first session, that is basics of retailing. It consists of your concept of retailing. Students, I think I have to use both the language, as I know there are lots of students maybe from government schools also who need a lot of attention and they don't know much about your English language. तो मुझे लगता है मुझे दोनों languages का mixture use करना चाहिए and to make them easily understand. Fine. सो अब हम जो स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ेंगे दैट इज़ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ रिटेल. रिटेल इज़ बेसिकली a business deal. You can see like it is a deal where a seller sells small quantities of goods to the customer as per their needs. Now need analysis is very important. As you know, nowadays customers can easily switch to another brand if you are not providing products as per their demand. कस्टमर आसानी से अपना आपका प्रोडक्ट छोड़कर दूसरे प्रोडक्ट पे स्विच कर जाएगा अगर आप उसको उनकी टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड नहीं करोगे. फाइन. सो ये देखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. एक जो रिटेल स्टोर है वो ऐसा रिटेल बिजनेस या ऐसा रिटेल एंटरप्राइज होता है जो प्रीमियरली डील करता है सेल्स वॉल्यूम के साथ. ठीक है, यानी कितनी क्वांटिटी ऑफ रिटेल में हमें प्रोडक्ट. सो इजी टर्म्स में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो फंक्शन होता है रिटेलिंग का वो ये होता है कि प्रोडक्ट्स को बेचना फाइनल कंज्यूमर्स तक. इसमें बेसिकली तीन पार्टीज डील करती हैं, सेलर, बायर एंड योर मार्केट. ठीक है, मार्केट आपकी रियल भी हो सकती है, मार्केट आपकी वर्चुअल भी हो सकती है. सेलर वो पर्सन होता है जो प्रोडक्ट्स को बेचता है, बायर वो पर्सन होता है जो प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीदता है. सेलर्स आपकी फर्म्स हो सकती हैं, आपकी रिटेल आउटलेट्स हो सकते हैं, एंड जो बायर होता है वो कंज्यूमर होता है, कस्टमर होता है जो हमेशा पेमेंट करके प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद के लेके आता है. ठीक है, या तो ये डीलिंग किसी प्रोडक्ट्स में होती है या तो किसी सर्विसेज में होती है. बेसिकली दो तरह की हमारे पास चीज़ें होती हैं, या तो कस्टमर प्रोडक्ट खरीदेगा या तो वो सर्विसेज खरीदेगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ अबाउट योर कंसेप्ट ऑफ रिटेल. होपफुली ये आपको समझ आ गया होगा. नाउ इन अ कमिंग वीडियो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग द फंक्शंस ऑफ रिटेलर. थैंक यू.